boots are boots, you know. If I were actually want to go out somewhere and wear like open-toed shoes or even closed-toed.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Nicole Freels. I have, we are in Kentucky, so we have a lot of horse people around here.
Yes.
This young lady works 6 days a week taking care of horses. Now, you initially had a horse step on this toe. Correct?
Yeah, well, both big toes and the toes next to it, because they never hit just one.
Right.
You know.
And this was 6-7 years ago? Or was it long?
The first one happened in 2008 and then again in 2012. So
you can even see a little spicule here popping up. So I'm going to get everything trimmed off, and it looks like because it's fungus, it transitioned to this toe.
No, those toes, the two toes next to both big toes were both annihilated.
We're both annihilated.
Yes, yeah.
All right.
And when it happens, you can't even stop to take your boot off.
Oh no.
You just.
Okay, so I'm just going to feel where there's nothing. I want to make sure I don't get skin. A lot of times when you cut it from.
I will squeak. If you hit skin, I'll squeak.
I know. Don't you worry. I'm going to do my best.
I will not kick like a horse.
So this is interesting. You can see straight down into the nail here. That's not even attached. It wiggles quite a bit. And I saw right in here. That's actually a crack. Kind of hard to see.
I am a farrier's nightmare. You're my farrier right now.
I am your farrier. I love that. So you can see that crack just kind of allowed it.
Oh my God, that is terrifying.
But just think about how much toenail you're going to be.
Yeah, thank God this is anonymous. Yeah.
So, and honestly, I'm going to send you out of here.
Yeah, my Ariots will actually fit me better now.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, because that's another reason why I finally came on in is, boots are boots, If I were actually want to go out somewhere and wear like open-toed shoes or even closed-toed, it's just not an option.
Right.
No Keeneland Clubhouse for me.
Well, we'll debulk it quite a bit. Using a foot file or nail file at home would help. And then the medicine.
I actually bought. You're gonna laugh. I borrowed one. I got a rasp, a farrier's rasp.
Yeah, I love it.
We have to be very careful because it's kind of wide, so you can hurt yourself. I don't recommend that, people. But I have absolutely taken a actual farrier's rasp to it to knock it down, just in a pinch if I needed to go somewhere and I actually did have to wear dress shoes. Because a horse rasp will. Well, it ain't gonna swallow that.
Not at all. So the medication I'm going to be sending you out with today has urea in it, because in the future, obviously it's starting the summer. We're in busy season for horses, so we're going to wait till the winter to really treat these. Yeah. And what we're going to do is remove them temporarily. It'll take about 2 weeks to heal, and then we're going to start laser therapy. 3 treatments of that. You'll really start seeing that grow and pop out from underneath the cuticle in about 4 months or so. It takes a year total to grow it out.
Well, considering I've been dealing with this, for
a long time.
That just the thought that they can be saved, because I fully anticipated you saying that they would just have to be removed.
Yeah, to start with, because you get a much better outcome if you remove them first.
No, I meant like chemically kill the nail bed.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like gone. I've been Googling pictures of like I said, what toes look like without a nail, and I could, it'd be okay, but hey, if I can have my nail back, great.
Well, I will give it my best shot.
Amen.
And in fact, what we're going to do is prescribe a cream called Nitrobid whenever we start doing the laser to improve circulation. Let's get a hold of this little guy. I'm going to get the Dremel on him.
Yeah, I try to get my nail clippers around the two toes next to, I don't even know what you call those. The 2 toes next to the big toe.
It's called the second toe.
The second toe. And it obviously, nail clippers just can't fit around it.
Sure. Over here, so this one's kind of headed this direction. And
yeah, it's starting to bend.
So it's always easiest to clip from the tip back, kind of straight in. And feel I'm always like just taking small bites because like we talked about, we don't want to get that.
that would hurt. Yeah.
We don't want to get that skin, and it's hard to tell where the skin begins and the nail ends.
I've nipped myself before, and again, any wound, considering that I'm working on a horse farm. I have to clean stalls every day, and I, leading horses in and out, and climbing fences, and jumping in and out of the Kubota.
Mm-hmm.
I need my feet.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely.
but I also
Right, so-
thought about maybe if we wait till winter, sweat, not as much of it's not gonna be as hot.
Mm-hmm. Definitely. Okay, well I'm gonna get a curette over here and then grab some special diamond tip heads. I was watching one of our videos, your lights. And she also has it, but was undiagnosed for 20 years. Had no idea what it was until she started watching our videos. And
How rare is it?
and she got diagnosed. It's rare. How rare, I don't know. But she was like, thank you so much. My life has changed. And, here we are trimming toenails, just filming what we do on the daily. And then we're, I would have never even thought.
Wow. And then between watching Ireland.
Oh, our number 2 country right now is Norway.
Wow.
Brazil is up there.
Wow.
Comment below where you're from. We love to know. I'm working on a water Dremel, people. Everyone always comments on that. Is that tickle?
No.
Okay.
No. My toes just really touch each other. I'm like, one toe's touching the other.
There's a guy called DC Foot Doc, and his channel's great. And anyway, I messaged him to try to get his information for his water Dremel, but I haven't heard back yet. So
I actually thought about, getting one of the Dremels that we use on my dog channel.
Mm-hmm.
But I just never did. The rash was enough.
Sure. I really like it.
And just use it in a pinch, when I had to literally saw the top off to get a certain pair of shoes on.
Mm-hmm.
But
Oh my gosh.
That's not realistic.
No.
And since I have been doing this since at least, 08, 2010-ish, I'm just tired of dealing with it. Something. We have to do something.
We have to do something. Well, I'm ready when you are. This is just to get you through the summer while you're working every day nearly.
The fact that this makes it look better it's kind of scary. I'm like, wow, this is such an improvement.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're not done yet.
Well, even my muffins look it better.
Oh, yeah.
Because even though they have a roomier toe box, it's still, once with that nail growing out like that, it was hitting.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's why it was curving so bad.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Get some of this gunk in there. You doing okay? I'm not hurting you, am I?
It hurts, but that's fine.
Okay, oh my
It
gosh.
is what it is. Oh, horse people.
Oh, yeah.
Does that hurt? Mm-hmm.
It's like my ballet dancers. They're the toughest gals on the
God.
planet.
Now those are some toes, yeah, and marathon runners.
Oh, absolutely. And here's the thing: it's like they get injured, and don't you dare tell a marathoner that they can't run.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh yeah. Well, even you telling me, a couple of weeks full recovery, I'm like, I can't stop working.
Sure, I get it.
So.
That's why I always tell people if I get injured, you're gonna have to wheel me around here.
Oh yeah, it's not an option. I mean, when you have horses, it is not an option.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Get a big clunk. I don't
it
really
doesn't
like
hurt,
there.
Mm-hmm.
Sure, it feels great.
That's that little broken piece that
Yeah,
is completely separated from the rest of the nail.
It's called a nail spicule. So it's this little island of the root of the nail that's just kind of got a mind
I call
of
it
its.
a sock catcher.
Well, it's not going to be catching your socks for a while.
Yeah,
There we
no,
go.
it's actually a sock destroyer.
The sock
So,
destroyer. I like that.
And since I wear smart wool socks, those are expensive.
Oh, I love smart
They're
wool.
the best though.
I ski in those a lot.
I literally just bought like 20 pair. I literally spent almost $350 on socks.
Oh my gosh.
Well, but they last forever.
Sure.
And they will. I hadn't bought socks in 5 years. So,
Do
you
them.
know. I think they should give me free socks for endorsement. But it was
Right.
in the human sales that somebody else literally was like, you have to try these socks.
It's the only sock that really keeps my feet warm when I'm skiing.
Yeah, and I wear them this past winter. I wore just one medium weight with my boots and was fine. Never didn't even need double socks. So that's just fantastic.
Mhm.
They're worth it. They're worth the $20.
Absolutely. Like you said, they last forever.
They last forever. They don't
Over
fall
here.
apart, and they stay up. Which
Yeah.
is just nothing more annoying than tromping up the hill. And
Mm-hmm. Now, how many horses do you care for?
on a farm, it's a new farm. So right now we only have about 10
Okay.
on there, but we also have some dwarf rescues. So I get to work with some dwarfs. They're actually
That's-
minis, but they're dwarf minis.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
yeah,
interesting.
they're just their personalities are just larger than mine.
Oh, that's so cute.
But on average, they don't quite connect my knee.
Oh.
So, but they are giants in their minds.
Let's get you cleaned up. See if we need to make any more tweaking here.
That looks so much better. And the fact that it's not going to hit my shoes now, I'm like, that's just
Oh,
great.
yeah. I mean, just to think where we started.
Yes.
Caitlin, this will be good to do the picture before and after.
Okay.
Remember the images I sent you a couple days ago, or maybe yesterday? You know what I'm talking about? It's where you do a still picture of what it looked like before, and then you do a still picture of what, and you can even see how it's digging into the skin right here.
I knew something was hurting.
Yeah, I mean, you were on the verge of getting an ingrown.
Well, and another, so that, when that email came, I was like, oh, okay, it's a sign.
Yeah.
So tell your cousin, it was very effective.
Yes, Sarah, good job. Your text blast or email blast worked.
Yes.
Was it email or text?
It was an email.
Okay.
God, that just looks so much better. And it's still a freak show, but it looks so
Oh
much
my
better,
gosh.
and it feels so much
Freak.
better.
Oh, yay. So you've got a little where there was that, I got that spicule from the corner.
Yeah. Well,
So there's a little kind of bloody spot right there.
Okay.
I'm just gonna put some betadine on it and a little Band-Aid.
okay.
Just maybe the next couple days, prevent any infection that's kind of wanting to get in the area.
I will be
but I'm not-
extremely careful.
Okay, perfect.
Because I have to be. I mean, it's, again, no hoof, no horse.
Right.
You know? You can do that in the audio.
I
No
like
hoof, no
that.
horse.
Oh, I like that.
No toes, no human.
Well, let me get
You know?
this guy out of here. Caitlin, what's going on here? There we go. So just in that corner a little bit. Betadine's a great antibacterial. It's a great drying agent. You use it on
I use it.
horses.
I have the premedicated
It's
sponges.
been around for
it's-
1,000 years.
We've got the little dispenser one, and I just pull them out, as I need it. So fill
Okay.
them up and treat them.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching another video. Thanks for an awesome participant here. Horse people are my favorite people, right? All right, guys. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, comment below. I'll see you soon.